Hi boys and girls, auntie and uncle, welcome back to my channel. My name is CK and my channel is Ecology, where I bring you around the world to see and explore. Today I am at Zhun Palace Temple here in the district of Cheras in the city of Kuala Lumpur. Now Cheras is dotted with all these fantastic community temples where the local pays tributes to their deities, and here at Zhun Temple they are paying tribute to the deity of the heavens. And I can tell you Cheras is one of the most important and the most biggest suburb here in Kuala Lumpur. Cheras is a massive area completely flanking the east and the southeast part of Kuala Lumpur. It is administered both by the city of Kuala Lumpur and on the other side the municipal council of Kajang. Cheras started out with only just 500 inhabitants, but today Cheras is one of the most densely populated area in Malaysia. Just to tell you how massive it is, Cheras has 11 MRT stations spanning across the district. Now Cheras is very densely populated because of the affordable housing they have here. Rental and property prices are relatively lower than other parts of Kuala Lumpur. And not only that, Cheras is home to many of the top tertiary education institutions here in Malaysia, making Cheras a very big student town where students reside. Now everybody in Kuala Lumpur know that Cheras is synonymous of being the food paradise. In this video, I am going to show you all the fabulous places to eat here in Cheras. I mean, this place is so huge, I can only take you to a few places unfortunately, and I've got a lot to cover. So let's head out to our first stop. And you know the drill, the first stop is the morning market, and I've got a special one for you. So here I am at 11 miles morning market, very early morning, and my first stop is to this lady behind me. She has recently went viral over the internet and she's just right here. Let's go and see her. Ni hồng了，老板娘。从新加坡飞来，真的，为了吃你的烧肉。Oh my god, this is the best suyo ever. So I came all the way to 11 Mile Cheras morning market just to have Mrs. Chan's suyo. And she took over the stall from her husband, and she's the only female chopper. She's the only female seller, and she recently became super viral of her stall, and all her porks are so impressively roasted. The porks are just so impressive, so mouth-watering, hanging in her stall. And these are all done by her father-in-law. Absolute must. The chichong fan, look at the chichong fan. Oh my god. I mean, I purposely bought the container so that you all can see how the chichong fan looks like. I have never seen anything like it. Look at that. This is all homemade. The Tauket told me, all homemade. The sauce, and this is the famous curry chichong fan that I think you only can find in Kuala Lumpur. And look at all the ingredients. This is absolute. And they have all sorts of ingredients that you can mix and match, and you can also mix both sauces, sweet sauce, and then with the curry sauce. Wow. This is an incredible breakfast. What can I say? So it is lunchtime and I am in Mulek, and if you want seafood, this is the place. This restaurant is called Kah Lang, which literally means the sea under your feet or something like that. And they have recently went viral with their seafood dishes. Look at all these incredible seafood dishes, and I must say, they have the most complex menu I have ever the most complex menu I have ever seen. So when you order your food, you really need to consult with the person that you're ordering with, because this is very confusing. I think they have every single seafood ingredient that you can find from the sea, and sometimes they have seasonal dish as well, and not everything is available, so you need to consult them at first. Also, this place is super packed, a long line at the moment, so you can use other apps to pay and reserve your table, because believe me, I reserve and I pay deposit just to come in here. The seafood, oh my god, look at that. So I'm gonna try this one. This is basically the Mihun seafood concoction. Wow, look at that. My god, the fish so fresh. Finish this, and then we're going to the next stop. So in a garden, I am not, but I am in my favorite cafe overall in Kuala Lumpur, a very hidden cafe here in Kuala Lumpur. And today, the cafe is right here, and today they have a flea market. Time to go shopping. Guys, this looks absolutely incredible. Look at that. So one thing KL is very, very famous for is definitely Hokkien cha. How to do a good Hokkien cha? Well, first of all, you need a lot of experience, and also your wok hei must be really, really powerful. This is a very recommended thought at Kopitiam Kaskas. Nowhere in Malaysia can you get a better Hokkien cha than here in Kuala Lumpur. And to get the best, you have to come to Ulek here in Cheras. This is one of the best Hokkien cha I have ever had. Oh my God. So everyone, do you still remember William? Hi William, how are you?
I'm fine, CK.
This is your third time in my video.
Serious?
Yes, you have been in my video 3 times now. If you still don't know William by now, William is my primary school friend, it's my oldest friend. We are at KTL restaurant. KTL restaurant we are at.
KTL.
So KTL basically means Gong Tao Lo. Yes, like ball, bota, and they are famous for their tilapia steamed fish and the steamed egg. These two is like must order. More than 20 years of business, packed every night. So if you're in Cheras, you must come to KTL restaurant. How long have you been living in KL?
For more than 20 years already.
More than 20 years.
When I start working in Kuala Lumpur, right? I think Cheras is the place that I hang out. Cheras literally is a very populated area. When you see a lot of people populated and developed, right? The requirement of the food, the standard is there, it's high. The stores and the the food that can survive in Cheras.
Yeah. So many competition. If you have to be outstanding to really survive in Cheras,
And you have to upkeep your standard.
yeah, and working class people living here, so the food here is super authentic, right?
Agree with you. Totally agree with you.
So I'm gonna eat this with William, and then I'm taking you to a nice restaurant. So stay tuned. Curry laksa, and then this is the Australian rib eyes, chicken roll, the Iberico platter with the Iberico pork rib, boneless rib this is, and jiao. So dinner time, and people don't usually associate Cheras with casual and semi-fine dining. Thanks to my friend Joanne, she's introducing me to this fabulous restaurant called Cincin. Cincin in Italian means cheers, and I must say they have some of the most best collections of wines all over the world, and they're treating us with red Italian wine today. It's absolutely amazing. They are a 2-story restaurant here. Downstairs is a chill bar where you can hang out with your friend, and upstairs they make it very nicely as a casual dining restaurant. But I must say, it's like the deco here is some of the best I've seen. I like the trees branch, that the deco that they do here. It's very romantic. Sometimes they have performances, and tonight Cincin is going to have a solo harmonica performance. But of course, I came here for all this food that the chef has specially prepared for me and my friend. I don't know how we're gonna eat it. As I said before, the laksa, the steak, the rib, and look at the onion soup. It's insanely amazing. And I'm just gonna pick the steak because I was so hungry just now. I took a bite of it and it's so juicy. I think it's gonna take me 5 minutes to chew. But this place, they started out 6 years ago, and I think they're being very popular with the locals. So I want to thank the chef for preparing this. This is really insane. I don't know how I'm gonna, taste all of this. I will try, but do come here if you have that special someone that you want to bring. Cincin is the place because Cincin means ring in Malay here in Malaysia. So I don't know, I guess you put a ring on the ones that you really feel very special. Tonight, they are full, so I had to shoot like 5 p.m. before all the guests came in because tonight they are full. So do make reservation early to come to Cincin. And this one, want to focus is their really special laksa. I want to show you how amazing this is. This plate is just full of stuff that that I'm gonna dive in a bit later. So, me and my friend Joanne will start to chew on this, and then I'm going to bring you to the last stop, which is the supper. And the supper in Cheras here, a lot to choose from, but I've got a special one picked just for you. Oh my god, I nearly had a food coma in Cincin. The food was absolutely out of this world. Lucky I was that the chef came out and greeted us. That was really nice of Cincin. And I was very surprised that the chef is actually a very young female chef. So congratulations to Cincin and thank you so much for all your hospitality. For my finale, I am taking you to eat the legendary bak kut teh. Now I know I'm gonna offend a lot of Singaporeans, but let me just say, KL has such good bak kut teh. It is the food of Kuala Lumpur. I don't know why you even come to Kuala Lumpur without having bak kut teh. It is the best invention ever, okay? So, as a lot of bak kut teh places in Cheras, of course, and I have chosen this one, which is Restaurant 33 Xiang. And they've only been doing this business about 5 years, but they're slowly becoming very popular because the chef guaranteed that the meat is the freshest in town. Oh my god. Oh god. My god. I cannot even describe it to you. It's so good. So, that was my video for Cheras. What do you think of Cheras? Well, to my surprise, when I was researching Cheras, I don't find any English-speaking YouTube videos about Cheras. I'm very shocked. Again, it's just next to Kuala Lumpur, practically one of the most important suburbs here in Kuala Lumpur, and yet nobody is talking about it in English. And I'm glad I'm bringing all these great food of Cheras to you. Do come out of the city center and explore the places around Kuala Lumpur, especially Cheras, where all the authentic, real food is. Thank you for watching my video. If you want more video of Kuala Lumpur, you can click them right there. The historical district of Chowkit, and also the best rooftop bar of Kuala Lumpur. You can click them right here. And I am just gonna enjoy my bak kut teh slowly for my midnight snack. Okay, you gotta be gone now. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye from Taman Mida in Cheras, Kuala Lumpur. Bye!